I just thought I'd do a quick update on how things are going for us since we moved onto this caravan site. As a lot of people will know, the landlord decided to sell the property we were living in, so we got evicted. We was given 8 weeks to find somewhere else to live, and the council were no help whatsoever. So on a whim, we decided to buy this static caravan, 37 foot. But it was a big step for us. We didn't know if we'd like it or not, but at that time it was the only option that we had. And this is the end of this third week here, and everything has been brilliant since we got here. The community around us, such nice people. The manager of this site's mum actually runs the pub across way, and within a week they gave Ginny a job. And on Sunday it was carvery day, so when Ginny finished her shift, which is only about 4 hours or so, they plated us both up a Sunday roast to take home and re-eat later. So how nice is that? There's a guy that comes to the site who is a plumber, and everybody knows him, and he does any job that you want him to do, and he's really cheap. The lady that runs the pub's husband has got a garage just out road, so any car problems you're sorted as well. And in 3 weeks we've put together this caravan container garden. We've been at it since we got here, and we've made some real progress as well, as you'll have already seen. But if this is your first time on this channel, I'll just give you a quick look. So you can see we've got quite a lot done already, even on that balcony area. Lots and lots of vegetables on the way. So we've managed to put all that together in exactly 3 weeks. But we have worked quite hard at it, to be fair, but it's well worth it because we've got such a supportive following on this channel. Everybody thinks what we're doing here is brilliant, which is massively appreciated. Because when you're put in a position like we were, it's not nice at all. But we've got past that now, and we're building what we can right here. And as far as I'm concerned, you couldn't ask for a bunch of nicer people. Everybody just wants to help you. We've now got people passing that are saying how good they think this setup looks, and maybe that's going to rub off on a couple of people. So regarding how we feel at the moment and how it's going, I don't think it could be going any better. And for one person that did ask, the site fees on this place work out to around £250 a month, and the house we lived in previously was costing us £675. So another really good saving and a nicer place to live. So I just thought I'd do a quick update, not about plans for a change, but on exactly how me and Ginny are getting on in this new environment. And to be honest with you, if I'd have known about this place 10 years ago, I'd have moved here already. So if you want to see what else we're going to be doing on this caravan container garden, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you very shortly. And thank you so much for everybody's support over the last 3 weeks. But now I'm heading indoors because it's just coming up to 8:30. The sun's going down, and that's definitely me done, at least for now. I'll see you soon.